What's up, YouTube family? Hey guys, I just want to say thank you. We've reached a serious milestone on our channel. And because of that, we want to introduce to you this new product. Bigfoot polishing stuff. Made of something. It's supposed to be pet friendly, user safe. We had these labels professionally done. It's supposed to not irritate your skin, so I wanted to give it a try. Oh! Okay, well, it's supposed to not irritate your skin. Guys, don't worry about this little dent here and this little dent there. I've got a paintless dent guy coming to get those out. But as you can see, it works pretty good. Nothing even gets on the, never mind, it gets on the rag. Still burns. It says, oh, it says it's safe to put in your eyes. In fact, it actually cleans your eyes. So we're gonna try this. Who made this stuff? You can get a hold of some of this at some of your favorite stores. It works pretty good. Okay, that's Bigfoot polishing stuff made of something. Special thanks to all 34 subscribers. You've really helped us accomplish something. This is for you.
I have felt obligated to prepare this statement. This product does not work, and at no point do we recommend this as a company. Not even sure how it got into our broadcast. In fact, it is the worst product I have ever seen. It is not user-friendly and certainly not healthy for your pets. It will make you go blind and should not be on your skin. I apologize for any inconvenience this has caused. I want to urge the public and all 33 or 4 subscribers, do not try this at home. We also want to say that no pets were harmed in the making of this video or this product. That is all.
I saw my dad using this stuff.
Damn it, I can't do this.